For this video, I will be turning several sketch designs into some cool glow art. The art was provided by several artists, so I will attach their links in the description below and make sure to check their accounts out. Since it is Star Wars month, it only makes sense to start with the Star Wars sketch. First, I use the levels layer to darken it up a bit. After that, I then create a solid color to start brushing in the hologram. I use the blend if to help display the black lines in the sketch, and then from there I will just be painting underneath the lines with that layer. After adding color to the hologram, I then create two exposure layers and an overlay layer to help increase the brightness of certain areas of the hologram and where the light source is coming from. After that, I then created a second solid color layer to apply lighting to the clone trooper. I try to get only the areas that the hologram's light would reach, so I added more lighting to the areas that were closer to the light, as well as edges of the armor pieces such as the chest, the shoulders, and the helmet. Anything that would be the edge lines that would be closer to the light source. Then I darken the edges a little more to add center focus, but later on when I'm messing with camera raw, that'll help with the finishing touches and everything. Then to add the glow effect, I created another solid color and set it to linear dodge. From there I used the soft brush to add in the glow to the hologram and any other light sources the light may affect, such as the chest pieces, the helmet, the shoulder edges, and etc. I wanted to add some light reflection to the signature as well, so I created another solid color and adjusted the blend if to apply only to the black area. Then I started painting in the edges to wherever I felt the light would be hitting it. After all that, I then finalized it with the camera raw filter, and here you have it. Not too bad. For the next edit will be another Star Wars sketch, but for this one there will only be external light sources. Given the theme of the sketch, I will use red and blue as the colors to match the lightsabers for Anakin and Darth Vader. Like the previous edit, I start with adjusting the lighting using the levels adjustment layer. Then I start using the red solid color to start brushing the light areas in on Darth Vader's side. After adding in all the lighting, I just cleaned up all the unwanted areas on the edges. I felt the image was still too light, so I darkened it some more with the levels layer, and then from there I just started to add some glow with the new linear dodge layer. To add more color and vibrance for the lighting, I added a few exposure layers and started brushing in the edges and wherever the light source may be touching. From there I was kind of all over the place, making adjustments to layers until I was somewhat satisfied with what I was wanting. Lastly, I added some orange glow to help the colors and lighting pop some more. I felt like the orange was a great combination with the red. Now that I have the side for Darth Vader done, I just redo the whole process again for Anakin's side, but using a blue color tone. As you see, I continue to make more adjustments throughout because I am very indecisive. I found this cool light effect to add, which will serve as the light source, and it also reminds me of the light speed effect. After positioning where I want it, I just remove the unwanted areas, and then I use the hue and saturation layers to match the light beams with the appropriate colors. Then I add some glow, and then I just finish up with the Camera Raw filter. Again, not too bad. For the rest of the edits, I'm just going to speed it up a bit so we're not here all day. Make sure to stay tuned for the final results. Alright, so here are the 4 edits of the video. This is definitely a new style for me, but I really enjoyed trying it out and making these glow edits. I may try and do some more in the future. They're pretty fun to mess with and they're not too complicated. Make sure to comment your thoughts below, give this video a like, and consider subscribing to make my day. I'll catch you guys in the next video.